Hey Leo, welcome on my channel, Triple Two Tarot. I'm going to do your December 2021 general reading. Let's see what's happening and what's coming next in your life. What do you need to know right now? Keep an open mind. It's a general reading. Take what resonates and leave the rest. You can also book a personal reading. Everything is given in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more daily updates. Let's see. Sun, Moon, Rising, or any planets if you have in Virgo, you can write this reading. Sorry, why I said Virgo? Okay, so you could be dealing with Virgo. Our Virgo is gonna, sorry, it's a Leo energy. I'm so sorry. Let's see, Leo, what's happening in your life? Magician. Number 8 is very important here. 3 of Cups. Oh. All eyes on you. I'm hearing all eyes on you. What does it mean? Tell me. Oh, God. People are watching you, okay? People are watching you. Obviously, you are the center of attention, Leo. Let's see what's happening for you guys. Okay. Okay. 2 of Swords. Oh, here you go. Here is the Queen. I love it. Ace of Pentacles. 2 Queens. Okay, so this could be same gender sex relationship. We should not go there. But yeah, this could be same gender sex relationship. Does not have to be. But this could be, this month is all competition, honey. Yeah, this is a competition month with your people. I told you, all eyes on you. People want to know that. What is your secret? Where are you getting this type of money? Where are you getting this abundance? What you have? What is your secret to money? What is your secret to success? What is your secret to be happiness? And you could be a tarot reader, intuitive, light worker, healer, anything. Or you could be a businesswoman watching this video. You could be a star in a public eye, whatever. But these are the people who are definitely want to know that. And I feel like there will be a female reaching out to you in this month who want to, collaborate with you or work with you or have a project with you. Or they could have a feminine energy in themselves, even though they call themselves, they are in the male body with the magician. But I feel like they have a feminine energy in themselves. Does not have to be. Because magician is hair energy. So yeah, definitely you're definitely doing something, you're projecting something, and people are definitely want to know that what is this magic that you're definitely touching everything and it's becoming magic, okay? People are seeing your success. People are seeing you warrior. They want to know that what is the secret of this success here, okay? Yeah, okay, so you could be dealing with Pisces. Yes, because we have the Hangman, Gemini and Virgo. Libra. Okay, I'm also picking up, fire sign, any fire sign. It could be any water sign. Look, this woman could be either your friend, okay, or wanna be your friend. She could be wanting to work with you. She could be also in the same field, okay? Does not have to be. Whatever your field is, or she see you as a rival, competition. This could be anything. There's no in between here. Either she's your friend, she wanna be your friend, or either she's your rival. She want to know that. What is this? What is the magic stick you have or that you're becoming this successful? Because they know that you are this queen. You are this shit. What is this? Why you are expensive shit? Okay, be careful if this woman or this feminine energy, this woman or feminine energy, because I'm picking up this could be a male in a feminine energy. Okay, they will come to you as a business partnership. They want to work with you, but be careful. They want to know your secret. They want to know something from you. Just saying, be careful, girl. This could be someone, like whoever you're connecting with. Okay, whoever the male person you're connecting with, this could be this person ex or this person's friend. Okay, she wanting to know about you, like why my person is interested in you. She's jealous. Something is about you that trigger this woman or this feminine energy in this month. Be careful. These people are watching you and all eyes on you. So you have to be controlled in this with the Queen of Wands, okay? Be careful, Leo. My Leos out there. If especially you are in a public eye or you're doing something on some type of a platform, You're creating something, obviously, with the magician here. You're the artist. You could be magician. You could be witch. You could be anyone. This is your month. Okay, this is your month. You're shining. You're it's like clearing the path. You're on the path of your success, and people are seeing it. This person could be from the same field, okay, as you are. They know that you're the shit. They want to talk to you. This person definitely want to work with you with this Ace of Pentacles. They maybe want to offer you something, some type of collaboration or work. This could be two people, I'm telling you, either two people. One is a woman and one is a man. But the man is also in a feminine energy, okay? So yeah, this could be the same person, one person, and this could be the two people who are wanting to come with you, wanting to work with you. They maybe want to be your friend with the Three of Cups because their eyes on you. Or they could be already your friends in your circle. So this is a social circle, whatever you're doing. This could be, I told you, like on a social media or social circle or whatever you're doing. With the Three of Cups, these people's eyes on you. Especially, there could be three people, by the way. They have eyes on you. They want to work with you. They maybe want to collaborate with you. But this could be also someone that who want to start a friendship with you. Okay, like going to offer you some type of a friendship. Like, hey, let's collaborate. Let's do something together. Okay, so yeah, this could be started as a business offer because I'm seeing here Ace of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. It could be a business offer. It could be a job offer. Like whatever you are creating, whatever you are doing, okay? These people definitely see the power in you with the magician here. They feel like you're very powerful. You can do a lot of things. You could be multitasker. You can do multitasking. You're very talented. You're very artistic. So they maybe want to offer you something to work with them. This is like a contract. Maybe they want to sign a contract with you. So if you are a singer, dancer, actor, so this is like someone very popular, or these people are keeping an eye on you. They want to work with you. They want to give you this opportunity like, hey, you want to work on this? Like could be advertisement industry. They want to, they're going to approach you. Like you want to work on in our ad, in our company, in our drama, in our, music video. I don't know. This is because you're shining and they're definitely watching you. These people want to reach out to you and want to work with you. Collaborate with you. This is a business offer, business deal is coming. And I feel like you need to accept it because you're going to be successful. You will be in a public eye with the Six of Wands. This is, I feel like, just the journey. I feel like the journey begins. Journey begins, honey. With the Ten of Swords and Six of Swords. Journey begins. The worst is over. Virgo, worst is over. You're definitely gonna, and they're saying to me that do not try to self-sabotage yourself. With the Ten of Swords, Two of Swords, and Nine of Swords. You're like, oh my God, I'm helpless. I don't know who to choose, who to not choose, where to go, where to not go, and indecisive energy. Don't do that. If you're going to be indecisive, you can definitely, this energy can slip away from you with the Two of Pentacles. You will be juggling. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. They're saying don't do that. Because I'm seeing that you're self-sabotaging something. Or you will take time to think about it. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it, guy, whoever you're watching this. Because if you're going to waste your time and self-sabotage, because this is what you do, you're definitely going to procrastinate about things. You're going to think about it because maybe these offers are coming from different countries. They are definitely watching you on social circle, on social media. They want to work with you, collaborate with you, and you're like, it's impossible because they're in a different country. But these offers are coming. This could be a job offer coming, or this could be definitely work offer, project offer. Like these people want to work with you. And I feel like they could be from a different place because I'm seeing the ship here. So do not try to juggle this thing. Just make up your mind, decision, like what you want to do. Because if you're going to not do it, then you're going to regret it with the Four of Cups. Now, I'm also seeing with the Seven of Cups and Two of Cups, there could be a lot of people, oh my God, hot. So you have a lot of options in love, okay? Because I feel like now, because you are in the eyes of people, so a lot of people are watching you. And there is a lot of offers are coming maybe, but you're not interested in those offers because you're looking for maybe something stable. You're looking for something romantic. You're looking for someone that who can, like pursue you or something. Yeah, there is someone who's going to pursue you, I feel like. Could be in a romantic way because I'm seeing this is a lover, your soulmate, Two of Cups and the lover. But you maybe have a lot of options or this person has a lot of options. And they're going to choose you. They're going to be like, I'm going to be with you. Let's go out. Yeah, this is also in a romantic way, someone reaching out to you. They have a lot of options or you have a lot of options. But this person want to ask you out, like, let's go out, have some drink, tea, lunch, dinner, whatever. So do not procrastinate again, I feel. You will be like, I don't know. I will give you the answer. And you will be juggling, okay? Don't juggle. You want to go out there. Otherwise, you will regret it because this person already have a lot of options. But somehow about you that this person is keeping an eye on you. This could be your friend, okay? In friend circle. Definitely something, whatever you are producing or creating or doing. I feel like you're a very creative and artist person with the Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. You are definitely meant to be artist in this lifetime, creative in this lifetime. Yeah, do something in this lifetime. You're a very creative magician. People are saying that there's something magical in your eyes, magical in your eyes, magical in your body. I don't know. This month is all about you. All eyes on you, I'm hearing. But there is someone here who want to have a connection with you. And they're really, really attractive to you, like physically and emotionally. They feel like you are compatible with this person. So maybe this Queen of Cups is the person that who's reaching out to you, because there's a lot of love here. Someone is watching you with this lot of adoration, lot of love. Look at this. Someone is in love with you. And this is the Queen of Cups. You may be not saying it, or maybe you know it intuitively. This person could be a white person, because I feel like you are the wheatish, tan, or black. This is a more white person. This could be, by the way, a woman who is going to confess to you, like she's in love with you. Oh my God. If you are into this, then I don't know. Yeah, but for others of you, this is definitely, I'm picking up, someone is definitely interested in you. This could be your lover, by the way, coming back to you. Someone who rejected you, or you rejected this person. You were used to be friends. You used to talk to each other. You were used to acquaintances. And now this person is coming because they feel like you're the one. They maybe explore their other options. Okay, and now they're coming back. So yeah, this is definitely, this is a success here, Leo. You are successful. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's success. I'm feeling this is a new journey. Your journey is begun. It's about new things, new beginnings, new life, new money, attraction, success, powerful. It's just journey that you're starting, Leo. I'm really happy for you. I don't know who I'm reading for, but this is success in love, in career, in success, everything. You're meeting the love of your life. Someone is definitely already in love with you. And they may be going to confess. They're finally reaching out to you, like, let's go out. Let's do it. Let's be together. Yeah, this could be affair. Be careful, okay? This person could be already in a third party. So yeah, be careful, okay? Be careful. This person will maybe want to have affair with you. I'm hearing extramarital affair. Don't worry. Don't do this. Don't do this. If you don't want to bring the bad karma in your life, then don't do it. This person could be already in a third party, but they have feelings for you. Yeah, oh my God. This person is married, okay? This person is already married and they want to have affair with you. And others of you, this person, maybe you will start as affair, getting to know each other, and this can bring marriage into your life. But most of you, I'm picking up, this is someone who's married. Yeah, union. Oh, this is your divine counterpart, guys. Yeah, fire and water, opposite, soulmate, twin flame. So this could be your twin flame, soulmate. It's a union, but you will start as affair, getting to know each other, marriage, and then union. Wow, it's just starting very soon. Wow, these people are just ready to get married. There could be someone is proposing you. Wow, I'm hearing roll the dice. It's a risk, by the way. Either this is you're going to juggle, or they're going to juggle. Yeah, this is a rolling the dice. Someone is taking risk here. Yeah, someone is taking risk for you. Yeah, oh my God. Oh my God, wedding, marriage, union. This is marriage, guys. This is marriage. Unexpected. Yeah, this is something that you're going to shock. This person will marry you. One more. I'm done. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, liquid courage. This person could have addictions. Be careful. They could also have addictions to have affair with other people, but they want to marry you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Some of you need to let go of that person maybe. If you know them, this person could be you already let go of them. They're missing you. Yeah, this person wants reconciliation with. They want you back, honey. They want your ass back. This is your soulmate twin flame. It's a union happening between two people who want to marry you. That's it. They're missing you. They want to reconcile with you. Maybe you let this person go, but you have options too. A lot of options coming in your way in love. So you're going to choose who you want to be with. This is your reading. I'm going to see you later. Bye.